Okay guys, I've packed what I can. Good night. But we're going shopping, going for like a Kmart run, so yeah, to get some chargers and things. Guys, there's like 0 iPad case choices. I mean, they've got a cushion. Got some lunch, and we've got an Vietnamese iced coffee. Guys, okay, it's pretty much time. It is 7:01. Okay, we're leaving in like half an hour. I'm so excited. Oh my god, guys, it's time. It's time, we're leaving. Got 2 cars. Hey, just got to the airport. Yeah. You guys, now I'm going to the lounge. So excited. Hey guys, this is the lounge. It's hot. That's my brother. And that's my sister. And that's my mother. Here's my outfit. Matching set. And my prima. Hey guys, we've just arrived at the plane. There's so much space. Guys, we have rented slippers. Guys, the slippers on. So cool. Guys, we're doing it really soft. I think this is so soft. Hey guys, we have been generously gifted orange juice. Very sweet. There's my sister. Okay guys, so I'm using my microphone by the way, but we have been gifted these really comfy PJs. Transition incoming. 3, 2, 1. Hey guys. In the really comfy PJs, they have this like, I don't know what the hell this is. It's like string. I am just, by the way guys, I just want you to know, like, I am so grateful for this experience. I'm so grateful. Thank you, mother. But I will give you guys a tour of my seat. Okay, so as you can see, there's the movies. We got some seat stuff, and then there's the seat, and it can extend to become a bed, and we've got a really nice pillow. And then over here we have a bar, a mini bar. We've got little snacks, drinks. They gave us this toiletry bag, and we've got a blanket too. And I've just stored my iPad and my book and everything there. And we've got like a mini space there. As you can see, my slippers. This is so comfortable. Like, guys, this is amazing. So what we have here is orange fizz, which is a mocktail. And I believe it's got ginger ale and orange juice. And we've also got some olives. Let's try this drink. It's like a really good mix between like tangy and like sparkling. Oh my god, it's like fizzy. Okay, let's try an olive. Don't hate me, guys. I know so many people hate this. Salty. Alright guys, we've got appetizers. Look at this, delicious. We've got leek soup, some garlic bread, and I have no idea what that bread is, but he suggested it was. I should get it, so yeah. Alright. We've got some mini like bread. It's a little bit liquidy, that's okay though. It's so creamy and cheesy. That's so good, what the heck? Oh my god, that slaps. Oh my god. Alright, let's try this garlic bread. It looks crunchy, I love crunchy food, so. The garlic bread is so good. Like, you can eat crunchy, but it's soft, which actually, it's really good. It's so like salty and savory. Wow. And the soup, like, smells good. Oh my god. Next, we have this. I actually have no idea what it is. It looks like pita bread. Correct me if I'm wrong, but it's good, but you know, a little bit bland, but it's still really good. Yeah. Okay, guys, we have a salad, very healthy, and it came with this really cute bottle. Do you see this? Oh my god, it's so cute. Okay, let's let's do some ASMR. Okay guys, I'm heading to bed. It's like 2 a.m. Good night. Guys, my sister just woke up from her like 9-hour nap. Alright guys, we have breakfast. We got some cheesy pudding, croissant, some fruit, and I believe that is strawberry jam. Can't wait to eat. Guys, I got the sweetest flight attendant. Oh my god, this is so cute. Alright guys, so we got this really cute pink toiletry bag. That's what it comes with. So I use my allergies and I love you crush toothpaste. Nice. Hi guys, we've arrived in Dubai for an hour later. Connection. Alright guys, we are on flight 2 to be, I think I pronounced that wrong, sorry. But yeah, I'll see you when we arrive. Guys, it is so nice here. I'm only staying here for one night because we're going. Good morning, guys. It is currently like almost 8 a.m. But we are going to a different place in Uganda today. I'm not entirely sure what it's called, but that's where we're going to do our safaris and things. But it is pouring right now, so I'm a little bit scared for the plane. But apparently it's normal. Like it rains in the mornings and then like it's chill. But look at that. I don't know how to get like a clear angle of how rainy it is, but it's super rainy. And yeah, I literally slept at like 5 p.m. last night and I didn't wake up until like 7 this morning. So I've gotten like a lot of sleep, which is so good.
Usually 1 hour 10 minutes. That is if the both distances are the same. So 2 hours, 1 hour.
Guys, plane. Okay guys.
Our bags.
Alright guys, we have just entered. Driving in.
Chihihi. Yes, Chihihi Town. That's the baby and on the back. You know, man.
This is so cool. Okay guys, we just arrived in our lodge. I will give you guys a tour when I'm kind of like ready. I'm just gonna rest a bit, but the views are everywhere. It is actually so gorgeous.
More shots.
You're joking.
The view is amazing.
Where's my phone?
Hello guys, I'm back. So we are actually at a lodge. I'll give you a tour once I finish my skincare, but while I do my skincare, I'll tell you guys a bit about what we're doing for the next few days. So, the first, I don't know, like, so tomorrow we are waking up very early, like 5 a.m, and we are going to have some breakfast at like 5 a.m, and then at 5:30 we're leaving the lodge and we're driving like 2 hours to go gorilla trekking, which is really exciting. And gorilla trekking is basically where you go look for gorillas. I think that's pretty self-explanatory. But basically, yeah. Guys, so gorilla trekking, it's not guaranteed we're going to see gorillas because, I mean, you know, they are wild animals and they're free and everything, but I will try my best to see if we can. We probably will see them. And yeah, and then the day after,
we're leaving here and we are going to go on another small plane. That plane ride was scary as, but we're going on another small plane, and that plane is taking us somewhere else. And from there, we're going to another lodge, or I don't know, and we're going to be safarying from there. So basically, tomorrow's gorilla trekking. A few days after that, safarying, and then we're going to fly back to Dubai, and we're going to stay in Dubai for a few days. Yeah, but yeah, I just want you guys to know, like, I'm really grateful for this experience, and I'm so privileged, and I'm very so grateful for this experience. And oh my god, on the way here, like on the car ride here, a lot of the local kids were waving at us. They were so cute. But yeah, tonight the rest of the plans is we're gonna have some dinner, because the dinner's included nothing. So we're gonna have some dinner at the lodge. Well, not the lodge, well, this sanctuary, I don't know what it's called. And then I'm gonna relax the rest of the night, as tomorrow we're waking up really early. So yeah. Hey guys, welcome to our lodge. Here's a little tour, as I said. Let's begin. So, as you can see, we've got this beautiful background view from our room. I mean, look at those mountains. It is actually gorgeous. And up there, as you can see, there's really nice, like, I don't know what it's called, it's like patterns on the roof, really nice. And then we have this spinny chair. Oh, yeah. And then here's our actual lodge. Come on in. So, over here, we have our little cuppies, very nice. We've got some biscuits, assortments of biscuits, coffee, tea, whatever. I don't know what that is, I think that might be ice. And then down here, we have a fridge. It's got Coca-Cola in it. And then over here, it's a little bit messy, as you can see, but we've got some seating and a really beautiful picture of a gorilla. And then over here, in this corner, we've got our laundry list and like yoga mats and like weights, so if we want to work out, because they don't have a gym here. That's okay. Really nice mirror. And then our beds. This is so nice. Like, we've got a canopy, we've got a canopy, a bed light, this really nice straw. And then as we progress further into the lodge, over here, we have our bathroom. It is so nice. I mean, look at this mirror, it's massive. We've got this beautiful sink underneath, we've got like towels and everything. I mean, look at the paddings on this. It's so nice, and I don't know what this is. It's very nice. And then obviously we've got a toilet, a really nice oval bath, and then and a beautiful chandelier. And then here's our shower. And then that's room tour. Thank you. Dinner.
Vicky's still taking photos. She's filming a video.
So we've just come back from dinner, and they put this like I don't know what this is, like curtain, like canopy for us, which is so amazing. Like, yeah, and they took our laundry too. The service here is so nice. Guys, can you hear that? What's up? Can you hear that?
That's the sounds of nature.
Sounds of nature. I want to show me your fit.
So cold.
Guys, welcome to my car to the gorilla trekking. It's like 6 a.m. It's so dark out there.
Your mom? You have
Hey guys, it's getting real.
Audrey.
Holy grail. We are hiking in the wilderness.
So in addition to all that we have talked about, it's the wire. It's poor wire, but it's poor wire.
They'll get you up and going out of bed. Don't stay awake for too long. Don't go to bed. I'll make a cup of coffee for your head. They'll get you up and going out of bed. And I don't stay awake for too long. Don't go to bed. I'll make a cup of coffee for your head. They'll get you up and going.
Guys, for lunch we got a packed lunchbox. I've got a chicken and egg sandwich. We've got chocolate juice and apple. And my banana's pretty squished, but that's okay. And a chocolate bar. Guys, this is our chicken and mayo and egg sandwich, I believe. Let's try this. A little bit of bumpy ride. Okay guys, you guys can't really see me, but we're heading to dinner now. Morning everyone. It is like almost 8 a.m. Let's go to breakfast. Today we are visiting the local community.
So when somebody book his bike or his owner bike, so we put it up sunshine, so they will be heated and they will
So this
let them come and check.
That's such a bad.
yeah.
So after I've braided it, I use a staple. Then I wrap around my people. Then I get the raffia bit. So I use
Guys, I got the cutest charm bracelet. I can't believe I'm using it. It's so gorgeous.
in their break time. And this time they are doing learners. They do prepare for the
My name is Bas. I teach Dream Big.
Hey guys, we're back from visiting the community. We're having lunch now. As you can see, the background is as gorgeous as ever. Yeah, some bread. Guys, we've got some pesto and butter.
We're hungry.
Yeah, guys, we're letting that finish. Guys, the bread is made of banana. Made of banana
in case someone passed on, they would use drums and a local gym for men. Yes. Yeah. We cannot do hand picking or invite you in the kitchen. They're telling you you are welcome. Machine, which is this one, to make
Do you want it in one or different size?
all these foods here are organic. Yes.
How long does it take to grow?
It's really good.
Okay. So it's called Madawa. Have you heard of any Madawa before? So it means they have really very unique names. They went for hunting. This is how they would carry the animals while they came from hunting. And we have
And the electricity's still on. I'm so surprised.
Oh my god, this is literally like a dream.
Okay guys, so
You don't-
for the next like 2 days is sadly, unfortunately, we are leaving Uganda here, well Winnie, I don't know how to pronounce it, but Uganda, and then we are taking the small plane back to Entebbe, and then from there we're gonna go to Kenya. And in Kenya I think we're going Masai Mara, and that's basically safaring. So basically here was like forest, jungle, gorillas, and then over there is safari. So yeah, I'm just so grateful for this experience. Like I actually can't. I will miss here definitely, but yeah.
Okay guys, we are gonna go to
Malaria.
like 5.
Focaccia, obviously white, and then wholemeal, and then breadsticks and tzatziki.
Look at this exotic fly. Whoa, look how good quality the camera's focusing. You can see it's got like weird patterns. Alright guys, it is time. Last night here in Windy, or you could say Uganda. Anyways, oh, it's so comfortable. Good night, guys. See you tomorrow morning. Finally waking up like 5 a.m. Good morning, guys. It is the last day here.
Look at you walking, going out of bed.